If you like food or plants, or especially if you like food and plants, you need to watch this video. This is really cool. So this is my wife and I. My wife will be cooking a traditional Peruvian food using Calathea leaves. Yes, you heard that right. These are Calathea Crotalifera, which is a native to South America, and in the jungle region of Peru, they use these to cook with, and they kind of use them like aluminum foil. So first, let's get them washed and get this chicken ready. We're making a traditional jungle food from Peru called Juane, and it involves some delicious seasoning. Turmeric is going to give the rice a yellow color, and then we're going to take these leaves and pass them right over an open flame, and that makes them kind of pliable and easy to work with because we are going to be wrapping these up here shortly. It took me 7 years to locate these plants here in the US, and I finally did, and it made my wife so happy that she's finally able to make this food once again. So that chicken is cooked up. If you want a full recipe, let us know and we can get that for you. But here we are adding all of the seasoning in here, and then we're just gonna mix it all up, give it that nice, fantastic yellow, rich color. And this is a very flavorful dish as we're going to add in lots of toasted spices and some nutmeg. And this rice is cooked at this point, but we're going to add a raw egg to make it more sticky, and these will be steamed again, so don't worry about that. And now she's just smashing up those stems to make them easier to bend. And here we go. Let's start the wrapping process. So get 2 leaves going opposite directions. Throw some of that tasty rice down into there. Get it nice into a good portion size for one person. Piece of chicken, hard-boiled egg, no shell, and then throw a couple of olives in there. And then we're just gonna top it off with some more of the rice. So let's go ahead and get this thing fully packed and then get it smoothed out a little bit, and we will start the process of wrapping this thing up, and we gotta make it watertight because we still are going to steam this. So just kind of pleat it as you go. Give it a couple little twists and a fold, and then we're gonna take our little piece of string and tie it off. And this is a perfectly sealed little Juane package that's then going to get steamed. You gotta bite your lip to really do it right though. So once you get them all tied up and you got these nice little lunchable size packets, make sure you make a bunch of them because you're going to want to share these or have leftovers. We put them in a big pot and we steam them inside of those leaves, and they come out nice and hot. Let's make some patacones too. I'm sorry, patacones is the right way to say this. So pre-fry them, smash them, fry them again, and they come out nice and golden and crispy. Our friends from Spain brought over a nice potato salad too, but let's cut open the Juane and see what's inside. Finally, the big reveal. Here we go. All right, let's get it on the plate. We'll put some salsa de cebolla in there, and it is looking great. What does everyone think?
Buenísimo.
Oh yeah, great success.